Up Axie Infinity holder, what's going on? Today video is very special for all my viewers, my subscriber, because this video will make you millionaire. That's clear, my friend. Let you start a brand video. Kindly, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification, because this channel will make you millionaire. So kindly click the subscribe button, man. Alright, come to the point. 21.40 USD dollar was the current Axie Infinity price, my friend, and 6.67% the price was dumps down. Why the price was dumps down and when the price was pumps up again, my friend, I'm going to tell you, but after prediction you will patiently understand. And also, if we technical analyze this coin, my friend, so absolutely we will better understand. So the price volume, sorry, the coin volume, my friend, is 63.78% from last 24-hour decrease. Why? Because holders starting selling. Definitely when holders starting selling, not hold it, so 100% the price was dumped down, and this was the end of month. So make sure, remember, to every coin was dumped down. But let's see the first week of this month. I am sure, my friend, to price will be dumps down more and more. So therefore you will never need to buy more. You will need to wait 1 or 2 weeks, and after that you will need to buy it, because you will get absolutely, there is opportunities, my friend. You will buy it in very cheap price and you will get a very huge profit. So my advice for everyone to kindly hold out in those days and wait for 1 or 2 weeks and buy it. I'm sure they will give you a very huge profit. What's your advice? What's your opinion? Kindly share it in the comment box. As this time, as you can see, my friends, the Axie Infinity price was totally dumbs down. So there, that's clear to the price will be more dumbs down, and you will need to hold down and wait for the end of month. All right. Thanks for watching, holders. What's your opinion and what's your advice? This is also very important, so kindly share it in a comment box. And remember, to this was not a financial video. I just advise you, kindly research personally.